Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing jezzydexp.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a gambling site. So we have it here on their website right here. So as you can see, this is what the website looks like right now. However, if we actually go here to Grindsoft, they actually did a review on jezzydexp.com, and this is what their website used to look like, and they have MrBeast on their homepage, and it is very clearly edited, guys. So please do not fall for scams like these, since as you can see, just from looking at the site itself, it looks to be a scam and looks very shady. So as you can see, the danger zone here on their score here on Grindsoft is very dangerous, so it is at the very left. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just like a meter. So right here, it is safe and secure, and if it's all over the way here, it is very dangerous. So as you can see, is jezzydexp.com safe? And unfortunately, not likely. So please do not go to this website, guys. So please do not log in or register in your money or your card, since it was classified as a scam website. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.